G'day, it's Doug from Doug Hewson YouTube here, and this, it's been a while, is a YouTube update. I just got alerted to this new YouTube help post, which is basically updating people on the review process for the YouTube partner program. So we're going to have a quick look at what that says right now for your pleasure. We'll pull it up on the screen so you can read along with me the pertinent points. The title of the post, posted by an expert Google employee named Jordan.
G'day, Jordan.
It's called, the title of the post in the YouTube help is Update on the New YouTube Partner Program Applications. This is dated April 19th, 2018. So this is up to date. This is today US time. I'm in the 20th, but I'm in the future, so. Okay, it says, hi everyone. Thanks for your continued patience with the YouTube Partner Program applications that are currently under review. We know that many channels have been waiting to hear back and wanted to share an update on how we're working to review our current backlog of applications. And then it goes into why reviews have been taking so long, and he says, last December we committed to doing more to protect the creator community from abuse. A central part of that work was spending more time carefully reviewing each channel and application for the YouTube Partner Program. We're also training new members of the review team to ensure we're applying our decisions consistently and giving the right channels the opportunity to monetize. Fair enough. This process has taken longer than we initially anticipated, and we apologize for the delays this has caused. Now, this is directly to those who are waiting for a pending application to be reviewed. If you have a pending application, when should you hear back? We've now grown our review team and are currently moving through pending applications at a faster pace.
Thank you, YouTube.
We're hoping to get caught up by the end of June, and we'll let you know if anything changes. Now, if you remember, originally we're delayed when it kicked in at February 20, when the new rules kicked in. They said that they had a backlog and it's fine, and then at some point they said current review applications will probably be reviewed by the end of April, which we're getting towards the end of April now. It's the 20th today here where I am. So evidently they weren't getting through them as quickly as they could. They were still training up the new people who are joining the review team. So now they've got more people on, they're actually starting to kick through them quicker. So hopefully all you guys who have been waiting a very long time from January onwards, and even some people from 2018, sort of in November, December last year, hopefully you guys are seeing some changes happening there. Now, right now, if you've been waiting and now have been approved since February 20th, and you got approved, leave a comment below so we know that we can see how many people are actually getting approved. If you're still waiting, I want you to also go in the comments and say, I've been waiting since, and put the date in the comments so I can see below how long you've been waiting for. I don't want a novel on your whole channel. I just want to know what date you reached the eligibility requirements of 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours watch time, and you went into review mode. What date was that? So we can see you've been waiting since last week, you've been waiting since last month, you've been waiting since January, you've been waiting since December. So that's what we want to know. Let's kick through the rest of this article so we don't make this video too long. When we review your application, we look at your channel activity, things like uploaded videos, strikes, views, subscriptions, and watch time. And you'll be approved for the YouTube Partner Program if everything meets our community guidelines and our YouTube Partner Program policies. And there's a link to both of those in the article here, so you can go on what does all that mean. While you wait, please keep focusing on growing your audience. The best way to build a business and earn money on YouTube is to have an engaged audience. We have a number of resources to help you to create great content, grow your audience, and get discovered. We know monetization is a really exciting and important opportunity, so thanks again for your patience as we carefully review new applications. Signed, Jordan from YouTube. So that's it. That's the update from YouTube for all those people who are pending their human review for the YouTube Partner Program. So I hope that information is handed to you. The link to this YouTube help will be in the description below for you to check out for yourself. And I think the main takeaway is that they're starting to pick up steam and they're going to start rocking through the backlog at a faster pace. And hopefully they'll be all caught up by the end of June. So let's all cross our fingers for those who are waiting and for those who are going to be hitting their requirements subsequently after this video goes out. And hopefully by the time you get your eligibility stuff sorted out and go into review, you'll get reviewed a whole lot quicker. So thumbs up, YouTube. Thank you for communicating, YouTube, and not leaving everyone in the dark. So I know Dan from Creative Fundamentals was tweeting at YouTube for more clarity on this situation. So this is a positive step. So big thumbs up to YouTube for communicating. This communication is better than no communication. People wondering.
Never leave people wonder.
Communicate. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Susan, and all your staff. This is Doug from Doug Hewson YouTube, and I'm out.